For question number 5, we want to, first of all, look at this equation and recognize that there is an a in the denominator, which we need to get out. In fact, we might as well get rid of the 5 as well. So we're going to get rid of the divide by 5, divide by a, by multiplying both sides by 5a. Okay, so then when I multiply this through, I end up with 15a squared minus, here the 5's cancel out, so I end up with negative 16, and then I still have a times a left over. Here when we multiply this out, the 5a's cancel out, so I end up with negative 4. So there's my quadratic. I'm going to make it equal to 0. If I want to factor this, it has to be equal to 0. And then to factor this, I've got a leading coefficient of 15. I have no common factors to take out. So here's 15a squared plus 4. My diagonal product is going to be equal to 60a squared. So the two numbers that multiply to positive 60 and add to negative 16 are going to be negative 10a and negative 6a, and that'll give me the positive 60 that I want. And then I factor the common factors out here. So along this line here, I've got a common factor of 5a. Along here, since they're both going to be negatives here and here, to give me the positive, I need to factor out the negative 2. So one of my factors becomes 5a minus 2. The other factor is going to be in this direction, so we'll get 3a. And along between negative 10 and positive 4, the common factor is going to be negative 2. I need both of those negative to end up with a plus 4 at the end. So then my equation becomes 3a minus 2. Again, since it's equal to 0, I can look at these factors independently. And so when I solve for a, I can use my shortcut. It should be the opposite sign, so it's going to be positive. It's the back divided by the front. So a is equal to positive 5 over 2. For this bracket here, we're going to get a is going to be opposite sign, so negative, so it becomes positive 2. So the opposite of back, 2 divided by front, which is 3. So my two solutions for this are going to be 2/5 and 3/5.